Hi, my name is Terence. So I have an amazing story to share with you, and this is for all those couch potatoes who find all kind of excuses not to run. So I was one of these couch potatoes till about a year and a half ago. So every year I used to join a gym, and that was my annual donation I've joined like 5 or 6 gyms around Pune. So we used to go for the first 15-20 days, 1 month, and then give up. So an event occurred in my life which changed all this. So on the 2nd of Feb was my wedding anniversary, and I had a heart attack. I was shocked. I mean, for my age, how can I have a heart attack at this age? So I was lying in the hospital, and I had to undergo an angioplasty, and that really shook me. So after I came out of the hospital, I asked the doc, what do I need to do? He said, you need to exercise. So I closed my laptop for like 1.5 months or 2 months, and I just followed what the doc said. I started with 10-minute walks a day. So before that, I had no running experience. The maximum I could run was like for 5 minutes. Slowly that I started with 10 minutes walks, it went to half an hour, 1 hour walks. Then I started with walk runs. And before I knew, 2 months down the line, I was running 3 kilometers. Went up to 5. Then I met this group around here, which is called the Pune Marathoners Club. These are the top stars. And I joined them. It's a big motivation to run with a group. So in a couple of months, I was able to run like 15 kilometers, and I thought, wow, that's not far away from 21. And that's the half marathon distance. So started aiming for half marathon. And in October, on October 6th, that was the Pune running event. I did my first half marathon. It took me close to 2 hours and 50 minutes, but it was amazing. One thing, during that run, I met, forget his name, You Can Run, what's the name, Venkat.
You too can run.
You too can run, yeah.
Okay, Venkat.
So my friend was trying to, he was the pacer for 3 hours, and he was, my friend was trying to tell him, Richard was trying to tell him that just keep an eye on this guy, he has got he's just come out of a surgery. So he says, what happened? He said, I put in 2 stents. I said, don't worry, I have had a heart surgery 3 years ago, and I finished 29 half marathons. and that really changed me. After that, I heard that. I continued running, and then I set my side. I said, if I can do a half, I can definitely do a full. So it was in November when I decided, okay, I'm going to do this full. I went to the doc to ask permission, just to make sure. My family insisted that I should go and check with the doc. The doc, when he met me, I told him this is what I showed him, all the certificates, and this. He was shocked. He is Dr. He called his colleagues from the other, it was a crowded clinic, but he called his other sub-doctors, and he told them, look what we are doing, look. So he was taking the credit. Look what we have done. And he was really amazed. Then I asked him the question, so doc, now I want to do the full marathon. What? He said, the first thing, normal people don't run full marathons. And people like you, he said, what's your basis? I told him I finished about 25 kilometers I finished about 25 kilometers in practice, and next week I'm going to run 35. So he said, no, you can't do it. I said, why? He made some calculations and said, the rate at which you're doing it is too high. Then I realized he's probably not qualified to answer that question. I mean, how many people do come to him asking him questions about whether I can run heart patients, can I run a full marathon? So then coach, we have our coach Michael Francis. I had a chat with him. He said, you're doing well in practice. I see no reason why you should not run. But my family was totally, sure that I should not run. They said, you can't run. I said, you're not going to Bombay. That is when I decided that, okay, I'll tell them I'm doing the half marathon. So that's what I told them, and I went on 19th of Jan to run the full marathon. I was confident with myself, and the coach, told us that, he can take us to the start line, and the rest is up to us. So that is, and I knew we had practiced. I run 35 kilometers in practice. Went on. I did the full marathon. I was in tears at the at the finish line. It's an impossible thing to imagine. 1 year ago you are in the hospital, and it was 2nd of Feb, and this was 19th of Jan. In less than 1 year, you've run a full marathon. You can't think of it. I mean, 1 year ago, if somebody had told me that I'd be running a full marathon in a year's time, no, I would have never believed that. But I did it. So my message to all the ones who are finding excuses not to run: just get up, start walking. That will convert into runs, and you can make it. One more thing, I should take a bunch of tablets before I, before even I had the attack. I used to take tablets for cholesterol, blood pressure, diabetes. Now I have no tablets. I have only one tablet, which is for the blood thinning. No other tablets.
Great.
So,
Great.
And that's enough motivation for me to keep running.
So question.